So.
Hello, my name is Mariela, and today we're gonna do something amazing.
Yeah. I'm Kenny. And I'm a little brother.
What's your name?
My name is Benji because we're learning to make a shovel of beer.
Oh, awesome! So stay tuned.
Stay tuned. We're gonna do this, and it's gonna be awesome. Give this video a thumbs up. Smash the subscribe button. Yeah. Okay, so right now we're gonna do an origami dog. But first, before you do the folding and the drawing, you have to have a tiny square paper, but not that small, like what my mom's doing.
So we didn't have square paper, so what mom is doing right now is cutting the paper in a squarish shape. And then after that we're gonna start folding the paper. Benji, show your piece of paper.
That's mine.
Okay, that's Bianca's piece of paper. Benji has it, but that's okay.
That's not yours.
Okay, that's Benji's. That's Benji's, okay? Benji already has his piece of paper. Show it, Benji.
I'm gonna take
And Ken is doing something. I don't know what he's doing, but it doesn't have anything to do with the origami folding. So we're gonna wait for mommy to cut all the pieces of paper to start folding the origami dog, okay?
Okay.
Yes?
Okay, first thing, we're gonna need paper, of course. We're gonna need scissors. We're gonna need a marker. We're gonna need a ruler to measure and do the square. And we're gonna need a pencil because when we draw the square, we needed to cut it with the scissor.
Okay.
Right now, we're gonna start with the kids to fold. First thing, we're gonna do it like this, as you see here, like a diamond shape. Exactly. So we're gonna do it like this. Look.
Fold it in half, vertically.
Folding. Look, guys. Exactly. Now.
Okay, you hold it here, and then you can. There you go. Good job.
Can you look?
Make a perfect
If you put it like this together, it's gonna be
perfect.
almost perfect. Okay. Second thing, you need me to.
Benjamin needs help.
Benjamin,
Okay.
look, we folded
In half,
in half.
vertically.
Now looks,
Exactly,
now looks
vertically.
like the Superman thing.
Look, Benji.
Here you go, dude.
Now.
Superman.
Keep going.
Woo. So, the other thing is we're gonna do the ear, the first ear. We're gonna do it like this. Look,
How did you do that?
you folded this corner, you're gonna fold it.
Like this?
Exactly.
It has to come out a little bit.
Like a cheese, it's a rectangle.
Keep going.
So,
I need help, I need help.
you need help? Okay, let's do this. We're gonna do this first before the ear, so it's easier for you.
Mommy, I need help.
Then we're gonna fold it like this. You see, a little bit more, so it is a little bit out. And then,
And then we fold it the other way.
exactly like this. Look, like this in the middle. And then we're gonna fold it like this. Then you can paint.
I'm lost.
No, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you.
Okay, let's repeat the process.
Kenny, you're gonna do it with me, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So,
First in half,
first
no?
thing,
In half.
you're gonna fold it in half.
Yes, to make it easier.
Exactly. Uh-huh. And then, look. And then, we're gonna fold the ear.
Like this?
Yours are smaller. And then
It's okay.
you're gonna go to the other side. You're gonna fold it like this. You see? Fold it in the middle. Fold it.
That looks like Superman.
Fold in the middle. And then you're gonna make the other ear. Do the other ear. Ah, that's too small. Like this. So it's gonna be almost the same. When you put it like this,
Oh, wow, it has
you
a face
see
already.
now, and
A little
then
bit.
look at this.
It didn't help.
You do this.
We're gonna help you in a moment, Benjamin.
You're gonna do this.
Say hi to the people.
Hi.
Say hi, everyone.
He's a new character.
Okay, let's keep going with the tutorial. We're learning too, guys, so be patient with us.
Okay.
No.
I'm gonna help you, baby. I'm gonna help you.
Don't help me.
We're gonna do this and then this. And
Help Benjamin because he's getting impatient.
Benji, look. First, we're gonna fold it.
To make it easier.
Then, we're gonna do this.
One ear.
One ear. We're gonna fold it the other side.
Look at mine. Look at mine.
And then, look.
The other ear.
The other ear.
Let me show Bianca's first. Okay, look at Bianca's. I don't know what that's supposed to be.
This is supposed to be for the nose.
Okay, got it.
So
Okay.
now, we're gonna fold
The
this.
middle, the part in the middle, you fold that up. Okay.
We're gonna make the mouth here.
Hmm.
And then the eyes here.
Can you give me the black eye?
Kenny, you're just playing with your thing.
Can you here? Look. Yours. Look. Give me the black one. No. No. No.
Look.
Why don't you paint the tip of the ears with a little black?
¿Qué hago? Ah,
Paint
here.
it a little bit.
Here.
I need a black
There you go. There you go.
Awesome, Daddy.
Fox wants to participate, but no today, Fox.
Next time. You're gonna do yours? So, look at Benji's. Look at Benji's.
This is a little advanced. The origami is not easy.
Of course it's not easy. Of course it's not easy. Of course it's not easy. I'm gonna do my eyes.
Bianca, you remember where origami comes from?
Japan.
Japan, okay. It's very entertaining for kids. It can be complicated, but it is a fun activity.
Yeah, it's a fun activity.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm gonna have nightmares. Look at
No, you won't.
I'm gonna have nightmares.
No, you won't.
It's weird.
Ok, préstame aquí para yo terminar el mío.
Okay, mommy speaking Spanish. I think we're gonna do some videos to teach Spanish.
Yeah.
Yay!
So you can learn some Spanish words.
Yeah.
Is that a Dalmatian?
Yeah, it's a Dalmatian.
Nice.
Oh. It's kind of like a Dalmatian is kind
That's
of
a
like
cow.
no, it's
Is
a
that a
it's a Dalmatian. It's not
Oh!
a cow. It's a cow, mommy. It's a cow. It's a pig.
Benji, what are you doing on top of the table, dude?
Dalmatian.
Is that your origami doggy?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Superman, like a doggy.
Like a
Okay.
Superman doggy. Mommy's dog is hungry because the mouth is open.
Déjame buscar tape. O
You can fold it better with this, maybe. Try to, yeah.
sí.
Hmm.
Let me see like this. I
Let's take a look at
love it.
Bianca's. Where is your doggy?
Guys.
He's gone.
So here's my Dalmatian.
Nice. Can you show it? Awesome.
I need to fix this.
That's pretty cool.
I love the Dalmatian. Dalmatian puppy.
Nice.
He's right here, puppy.
Let me see Kenny's progress. Let me see, dude.
I'm doing this.
But it's upside down. There you go.
I like yours.
Nice.
You know what? We can put tape
He wants
or
He wants to eat dog food.
glue.
glue.
Okay, let me bring the glue.
Okay, we're gonna cut here and then show the final result.
Okay, so we finished our origami dogs. Mine is a Dalmatian. That's my brother's. It's also a Dalmatian. And this is my mom's. I don't know what type it is.
It's what?
It's Fox. I know. Okay, so smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It's completely free.